Pogi ni Nono yun. Uy. Wow. Oy. Hello. Lucas. Pogi ni Nono yun. Apa gue pogi ni Nono yun? Hello. Oi. Pogi ni Nono yun. Hello. Tut. Tutut. Cut. Tut. Tut. Nenei. Who is crazy again? Crazy who? Whoa. Oh. Oh, yeah. Light. Lum. So bright. Lum. It's still cold, that's why I put them lights too. Just to make sure they don't feel cold at night. Lum tick. Lum. It is just too bright here. Romeo is adorable. Adorable Romeo. Tick Romeo. Light. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Lucas. Handsome Lucas. Hello. Light sensitive. Just a little hard pinch. He will cry. Oh. Light. It's 7 p.m. now, so all lights open for the kitten. And here too. I just put lights here today. Okay. Hello. And I just finished wash their face, so they look beautiful now. Especially this one. Mimay, Pipay, Mang, So all busy. Okay, Mimay. Mai, Pipay. Toot. out again today, so I have lots of cabbage again. So this is free. Some my friend vendor gave this to me. They will just throw it, so I asked them to give it to me. Yeah. So the bulb I put there is not that high wattage, but just enough for them not to feel cold at night. No, mamai, mamai. So this cage is a little bigger. That's why they can play. They can play hard here, not like the other 4 kitten there. The cage little smaller. I don't not yet put blanket there because they just pee on it. More job for me to wash the blanket, because this one I wash every day. So my how you call this, my water usage is higher than electricity. Then this floor also, moy, sorry moy. This floor also I wash every day using wash, of course, using water and soap. That's why I put this, so the wood not get wet every time I wash every day. Here also, this one. So every day I wash this whole living room there, and that one also. So every day wash. This one just every morning. Then this one it is like twice or 3 times a day. Then the kitchen also there. Yeah, every day also, because the kitchen that's where my dog use their toilet, so I wash every time I have a mess there. So many times, many times, how you call it. Sorry, my mind loading. And the food is, Lucas, and the woo is very noisy. And woo is mostly noisy like this at night, evening. Me mai, beep pie. So for now, my May is the cutest here because she's the smallest. She's really like a Romeo size when I found Romeo, but now not really. Oh, blurry. Sorry, blurry. Okay, but now not so much tiny. Shh, shh. Just playing the. Shh, shh, shh. It's playing the bulb. So I'm thinking if the bulb safe for them. The bulb is little warm, but they still can touch it. And let me show you the other tree here. Just a quick sneak peek. I'm putting them oil, so it's how you call it, so messy there. Well, anyway, it's always messy. No matter how many times I clean. Oh, just like this. Okay. So this one, he's always crying. Not in pain, I think, but I think he start how you call this, looking for his sibling. So that is the toilet tray. Oh. So not yet recover, not yet 100% recover from cold, but at least no more sneeze. No. Only sometimes sneeze, and the breathing is fine. So Lucky's here. I separated them for now. Because Lucky's skin is how you call this, not really good. Not really good, Jess. Yeah, he's flaking so much. I know where they get allergy. I experienced this case, my kitten or my big cat, they're having allergies since I use cat food. So I know that's where they get the allergy. Oh. The cat food is not the cheap one. Yeah, not the cheap one. So anyway, it's not because you're using the little expensive cat food, then it's not means that is very, very good. So sometimes they get allergy from that. Well, actually it's just based on my experience. When I'm not using cat food, then I don't experience this having a skin allergy. So this is Lucky. This is mange, not fungus. Maybe you can see he's flaking. Let's show you more closer. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see. He's flaking. Let's see here. Yeah, see, he's flaking. I just finished comb. Yeah, okay. So maybe you can see. Just finished comb him. So not so much flakes here and there. So he's flaking. Then I just changed the towel there, but they already dirty. Okay, so I just maybe just 1 hour ago I cleaned him. Okay, you can see there flaking. He's flaking, yes. There. Yeah. So his body now is very rough. Oh, no good. So for now, I will not feed Lucky seafoods, just meat. Just in case seafood also gives him skin allergy. Oh. Okay. She's thirsty. Oh, bakit? Na? Ayan, ayan. Oh. Okay. So anyway, I'm not sure which cat food give them allergy, because I used to. But that cat food is other cat food now. But anyway, lucky I call this damage will it will cure soon, because I giving him medicine for damage. That's why you have this. I put the medicine there. I thought we will not eat cat food because the medicine is there, but this morning it's gone. Okay, let's go back outside. And let's go here. Oh my gosh. I went market, so I get some mini fish today. It's all fish bowl now. And Pen is not here anymore. I let her go out because it's been like 6 days now. So the table is very messy because of the fish bone. There. So this food will consume all night, and tomorrow morning it will be gone. So every time I went market, it's always messy like that because of the fish bone. And there's the oil and Nietzsche. Yeah, pretty. Nietzsche, pretty. And where's Pen? Oh, that's Pen is there. Pen! Okay, so I think Pen feels stressed when she was engaged, so she looks sick. But when I let her out today, she feel little happy when I let her out today. So she will be fine. Tomorrow her medicine now finish the antibiotic. And let's see her stomach. Is there? Okay. So it's still very fresh. The thread is still there. Okay. Cole? This is Cole. Cole have big eyes. Maybe you can't really see, but he have big eyes with a small face. And this Ponyo, he likes to climb like this. Nietzsche. So Ponyo is one of the sweetest cat I have here. And look at my hand. My arm is not pretty. Here. It's always like that. Okay, here. I just need lotion for that. Okay. My arms is like a man. And Nietzsche also very sweet. She want attention always. Thomas, Mama. Hey guys, si Thomas. And this is Migo in jail. Okay. Let's go back again. Alis dyan, Amber. Moy. Hey, sometimes my camera getting blurry. Blurry. Moy. Moy have wide mouth. Moy is like a head. She have a 10% lab. That's why he's big and have this wide mouth. So Moy is not a rescue. I bought Moy for my birthday present. I bought him like how much? Very cheap, I think. $5 or $8 maybe. I'm not sure. But $5 or $8 is very cheap. Romeo. Romeo. Okay, so Romeo, bye bye. Say bye bye, Romeo. Bye. Romeo is beautiful, just beautiful from former alien, former Mr. Fungus. It's a very beautiful. Okay, bye. Bye everyone. From beautiful Romeo. Beauty. Okay, bye everyone. Thank you.